Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Code to be a Java programmer. Today is day 38 of our coding journey. In today's session, we will be discussing default and parameterized constructors in Java. Understanding these constructors is crucial for initializing objects properly. Let's get started. Okay, so as we know already that we know what constructors are, right? So in order to give these age and name a default value, we have created a constructor here. Of course, at the backend, constructor would be created already without even creating it here. But in order to give them some default values, we have created a constructed manually here and we have given them some values. So what happens if we print the get name and age without fixing values here? They would print the values as null and zero for string and integers. And of course, in order to give them some default values, we have created a uh, constructor here. Let me also create another constructor here. Of course, the same constructor but with a different object. Okay, so let me remove them. Here, let me call the object1, get1 and get age. So what happens here? The default values gets printed and what happens here is I'll be giving the values as input inside these constructors. Of course, usually we would pass values inside the methods, and first time we are going to pass values inside the humans. What if I wanted to change this default values, and each time I cannot be going to the class part and changing them inside, right? So instead I'll be passing them here. Age as 20 and name as Preet. Okay, but it shows me an error because there is no constructor which receives our two parameters. So let me also create a constructor which receives the two parameters. One is a string int and the other is string. Of course, the int is age and the string is name. So this dot age is equal to age and this dot name is equal to name. Okay, so this is the basic difference between a default constructor and a parameterized constructor. So in default constructor we would directly assign the values inside the constructor, whereas in parameterized constructor we would pass the values. Now let's just save and let's run and see this. Yes, so as I've said, I show 18 and Preet 20 since we have passed the values here. Okay, this is the difference between a default and a parameterized constructor. Constructors are a fundamental part of Java programming, allowing you to create objects with initial values and ensuring your objects are always in a valid state. By understanding and utilizing constructors, you can write more robust and maintainable codes. Thank you for joining me on day 38 of Let's Code to be a Java programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 39. Happy coding!